Welcome to my comprehensive review of Streak CRM, a unique customer relationship management tool designed specifically for Gmail users. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this CRM, from its standout features to its pricing model and user experience. Let's start with what makes Streak CRM special. Unlike traditional CRMs, which often require separate platforms or interfaces, Streak integrates directly into Gmail. This means you can manage your entire workflow without leaving your inbox. Whether you're tracking sales leads, managing projects, or organizing customer information, Streak lets you do it all from within Gmail itself. One of the first things you'll notice when you start using Streak is how seamlessly it integrates. There's no need to learn a new interface or navigate complex dashboards. Everything is built around Gmail's familiar layout. This makes it particularly appealing for small businesses, freelancers, and anyone already reliant on Gmail for daily communication. Streak's features are robust yet intuitive. You can create pipelines to visualize your workflow, track emails to see when and where they're opened, and even automate certain tasks like sending follow-up emails. The ability to categorize and color code different stages of your process adds an extra layer of clarity to your work. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check them out after watching. Streak CRM also supports collaboration, making it easy for teams to work together. You can share pipelines with team members, assign tasks, and leave comments on specific items. The shared inbox feature is particularly useful for customer support teams, ensuring no email gets overlooked. Another highlight is Streak's flexibility. It's not just for sales. You can adapt it to suit a variety of needs, including project management, hiring, and even event planning. The customization options allow you to tailor pipelines and workflows to fit your unique requirements. Pricing-wise, Streak offers both free and paid plans. The free plan is surprisingly feature-rich, making it a great option for individuals or small teams just getting started. However, upgrading to a paid plan unlocks additional functionalities, like advanced reporting, more extensive automation options, and priority support. In terms of user experience, Streak is remarkably easy to set up. Simply install the browser extension, sign into your Gmail account, and you're ready to go. The onboarding process includes helpful tutorials and templates to get you started quickly. Of course, no tool is perfect, and Streak does have its limitations. It's best suited for Gmail users, so if your team relies on a different email platform, this might not be the right choice. Additionally, while the free plan is generous, larger teams or businesses with complex needs may find the paid plans more appropriate. Overall, Streak CRM is a fantastic option for those who want a lightweight, easy-to-use CRM that integrates seamlessly with Gmail. Its combination of powerful features and intuitive design makes it a standout choice for individuals and small businesses alike. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of productivity tools and software. See you in the next video.